Hi yogis, welcome to my channel. My name is Coco, and if you are new here, hello. Today I'm going to be getting into a quick 10-minute morning or evening flow just to boost the energy. If you're feeling a little groggy, you're feeling a little tired, and you just need something to uplift you, feel a little stretched out, and a little bit more energy in your daily routine, but you don't quite have the time, this is the perfect yoga flow for you. So grab your mats, grab some comfy clothing, and let's get into it. We're going to start on the end of our mat, and we're going to do a couple of sun salutations. So pressing the feet down, toes wide, grounding, palms facing forward. It's going to take a moment to inhale deeply here. Feel the breath through the chest, exhale, release, feel it in your belly. Inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. If you had your eyes closed here, you can open them, and you're going to inhale, rise the arms up. We're going to bring our palms together and then slowly lean back. Exhale, release, bring the palms all the way down to the ground. Or forward fold. Exhale, release down. Release the crown of your head down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. You're going to walk the palms forward on the mat into a plank position. Hands stacked below the shoulders, feet hip distance apart. Bring ourselves down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. We're going to walk our hands back into a forward fold. Exhale, release down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release down one more time. And then you inhale, rise all the way back up to mountain pose. Exhale, release, palms facing forward. Inhale, rise the arms up. Exhale, forward fold, hinging at the hips. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, crawl the hands towards the front of the mat to a plank position. Hold here for a moment. Exhale all the way down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. We're going to bring our right leg up, bending at the knee. We're going to take a couple of hip circles here in one direction, and then a couple to the other direction. Inhale, rise the leg up for three-legged dog. Exhale, release. Bring the foot forward between the palms. Inhale, rise the arms up for your high crescent lunge. Exhale, release. We're going to bring our hands, palms facing down to a twist. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Almost lost my balance. And then rise your right leg back up for a three-legged dog. Bring your leg down. And we're going to bring it to downward facing dog, just pedaling the feet here for a moment. Inhale, rise the left leg up. Bending at that knee, we're going to take a couple of hip circles here, one direction, and then the other direction. Inhale, rise the leg up. Exhale, release the foot down to the mat between your front palms. Inhale, rise your hands up. Exhale, release the palms down into a twist. Inhale, rise the arms back up. This time we're going to bring the foot forward into Stork Pose. Release your palms together, or bring your palms together. Release, exhale, Then we're going to take tree pose here for a quick balancing position. So foot to the inner thigh. Bring the palms together to balance yourself, gazing past the nose. Inhale, rise your arms up. A little bit of a challenge, especially in the morning. Exhale, release, palms back to heart center. We're going to bring the foot back out to stork. Then we're going to slowly bring the foot back into humble warrior. You can balance a little bit. You can also keep your palms together if you like, or reaching forward. Inhale, bring your foot back. Exhale, release down. Then we're going to switch feet. So we're going to bring our left foot up to stork pose. Bending at the front knee, about a 90-degree angle. Keep the palms pressed together to stabilize here. We're going to bring our foot and our inner thigh. Rise our hands up on your inhale for tree pose. Exhale, release the palms back together. Bring your foot back to the front for stork. And then we're going to slowly bring that foot back for humble warrior. Reaching forward, bringing the foot behind you. Inhale, bring your foot back. Exhale, release down to mountain pose. Inhale, rise the arms up, and then we're going to hinge the hips back into chair. Twist to the left, bringing your palms together. And then your elbow right outside of your knee. Inhale, bring yourself back to center, and then we're going to twist to the right. Inhale, bring yourself back to center, rise your arms up. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, release down to Tadasana, mountain pose. You're going to inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, forward fold, release, hinging at the hips. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, we're going to step back into plank. Hold ourselves in plank here for a moment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it all the way down. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, release. Curl the toes under, downward facing dog. Pedal the feet here for a moment. Then we're going to bring our knees down to the mat. Take a couple of cat-cows. So inhale, bring the sternum forward. You can also curl the toes under here for a deeper stretch. Exhale, release down, hollowing out the belly. Flatten the tops of your feet here. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, curl under. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, curl under. Inhale, rise up. And we're going to thread the needle, so bring your right hand up above. Exhale, thread through your arm, your left arm, and then slowly walk your left hand up, forward to the front of the mat and release the temple down. Just breathe here for a moment. Then we're going to crawl the left hand back. Inhale, rise the right arm back up. Release back down. We're going to switch. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, release. Thread the needle. Crawl the right hand forward. Bring the temple down. Take a breath here. Crawl the right hand back. Inhale, release up. Exhale, bring it down. Then we're going to just cross our feet here together. Bring ourselves down to a seated position. Extend the feet out. Getting ready for a forward fold. So inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, forward fold, release down. And just take a breath here. We'll walk the hands back up. We'll take the left foot over the right leg, and then we'll slowly twist behind. So bringing the right arm over the left knee, and then slowly gaze behind you. Stretching out the outside of your leg, lateral side of your thigh, and your hips, as well as your lower torso and your back. Inhale, release back to forward. And then we're going to take our right foot over our left leg and then twist behind one more time. Just gazing behind you. Release the breath, relax. And we're going to release. And then we'll slowly bring ourselves to the side of the mat here. In a seated position, grounding ourselves, relaxing our breath, bringing the palms facing up or down above our knees. Just take a quick breath here, ground ourselves for the day, set an intention, thank our bodies, thank ourselves for this quick movement that we did just to wake ourselves up. Settle your breath here, just focusing on calming down the body, all the movement we just did. And when you're ready, slowly flow your eyes open. Inhale, rise your arms back up. Exhale, release down, and we'll bow in. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as that like button. Leave a comment below on what you would like to see from me next, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.